This weekend, Z Kessler, a community-based artist, wraps up a series of workshops at her tiny house project in the Vancouver Community Laboratory, where all summer she's been sharing skills with, and giving hope to, prospective homeowners curious about building one of the 100 to 300 square foot wonders. The tiny house Kessler and her team are building will eventually be used as a community center rather than living space, though Kessler said she envisions it as a show home to inspire future tiny house builders in the city. There's a lot of arts organizations that don't really have spaces, or people who want to teach, like me, that don't really want to rent a place to teach, she said. I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could have this little mobile community center going around? She began planning the project a year ago after attending a tiny house workshop. She posted flyers for her own workshop along Vancouver's bike lanes, and a mix of gardeners, architects and earthship builders showed up in July to begin participating in the construction of the 185 square foot house.